how can we move around, look around in Blender? The first thing we can try is this navigation tool here on the right, when we can see all of the axes. If you click on it and hold your mouse, you'll be able to rotate the angle left and right, up and down. So that's really beginner friendly, but unfortunately, when you're doing that, you cannot select any other tool and you need to move your mouse to exactly position here on the right. So instead of clicking here, we can use a shortcut. Simply press mouse tree, so the middle button. Usually it's hidden below your scroll wheel. So press down the scroll wheel and here it is. We can now rotate around. You can always zoom in and out. If you got scroll wheel, that's super easy. Just scrolling in and out, in and out. And the third important move is panning. You could click this hand here and move your view left and right, up and down. But again, we can use a shortcut. So for that, you can simply press Shift first and then mouse tree, the middle button. And now we can pan around. So if you combine those three movements, rotation, panning, zooming in and out, you can reposition your view to any angle. Let me throw one extra shortcut. If you press Option or you press Alt on Windows and then you just click the mouse tree somewhere, you will kind of go to your mouse position, so your cursor position. Holding Option, you just click mouse tree one time, you will jump to your mouse position. Alright, and if you forget your shortcut, remember you can always go to the top right and change the angle. You can zoom in and out and pan from here as well. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.